Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert our database character set and collation to UTF32. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So our character set is UTF-8 MB4 and this is our collation. So we are going to change it. On top you see operation, so click on it. Now loading. Now operation setting open and scroll down, you see multiple option and then you see collation. Now drop down select and find UTF32. So this is our character set and then you see UTF32 collation. You see multiple collation. Now select according to your requirement. So we select UTF32 Unicode CI and then you see checkbox change all table collation. Also check change all table column collation. So click on go. Now changing character set. Now query executed successfully. Now go to structure. Now loading and then you see collation UTF32 Unicode CI. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.